abusuafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba GNCN page so medin e de adwoa sechi na efia Schwarzenegger efia hwe emfa no efia onfa asem enya asem efia one no enya ntokwa a wankasa e na wo waste wo time because wo ye ya wo betwa so he enya de on efa no ho nde efa no ho ochena oye bold pa nti amafo bebre epe na asem a enya asem ketwa ne ho nso eye sore na efia e de ensem bi atodwa enya nim se efia Schwarzenegger de bia o trend e wo Ghana hanom because okoka na enya de a ode ebechew na efia ne nsem a okay na ene se ne picture we empempi samanfo eno no enya tokwa na omo afasa picture we na omo afa ne current picture e de aka ho na omo esre no na efia Schwarzenegger e chese ono emfa no hunde emfa no ochina because picture we o try be 12 years ni at that time na over 26 years atrese na on sheda enyi bia na ne ku ewu foforo a oye widow na opaduma yese ne be ya ono na ne mofra omo ensa beko omo ano enti no you can imagine at that time stress na ofe enti se ende mo kofasa picture no e de kan the current picture ho sere na enye emfa no ho because wo hwe mu kura nyame aye bia ma no ewiase ye wo mi obia e wo ne beginning na end obia washase e wo awie enti sa picture we mo sere na ono emfa no ho na ono picture no onankasa na o posti e wo internet no so onimpa na o posti enti sa mo de sere na ona efa no ho say ye picture na ende mo hwe ne pictures a egu internet no so na mo hwe sa picture ya na kire say ye picture dada na onyame so aye bia ma no enti mo sere na ono enya de efa no ho nde efa no ho ochina na adofo yentie ensem a efia Schwarzenegger etro e de e kan picture no ho e wa bra or they eto the Facebook page or just say this picture was made 12 years ago at a 1-year-old Pockeys theme party. I posted it myself, so guys don't think for a second I am embarrassed when I see it. Nah, this was just 12 years ago. I was just a 26 years old new widow looking for my feet to rise. Okay, the other pic was me yesterday. The moral of this story is to move. Don't be defined by what happened to you. Don't remain a victim to your circumstances. Just move because success is waiting ahead. Enter 2021 with a mindset of a winner. Good morning. Inti and some way and efia Schwarzenegger etro e de e kan picture no a de e hye amanfum cry. Say massa, hey, me mana enyeme bi e to sintidua. Me mana enyeme bi e how. Most at times no emba bebre omo eyomo ho nyam bebi na omo kopompe omo nufu omo to na dini no pese omo ho eyefe afia e kire se wo yo ba de woti bia fa ne sa no bia wa hyase e wo awie e chechechecha ombre ebeba afia e kire se na se hwan pictures e social media ni na efefefe nyamembre ene embre pa enti no ensem we e afia Schwarzenegger waka e de a kire
no onkoye ni yi o obu obaje oba onko tete ni yi what you say make sense subiem when you allow a 14 years boy, a 15 years boy to drink Smirnoff Ice, which is alcoholic, are you doing good to that child? Are you doing good to that child? Sa kwalani di 18 a die no be sa kwalani di 18 a die na sa kwalani obeye. We should be bia. It was a way as a young girl to raise your own children. Do it. Me awani na ye peduma na fa wonsa ye. Madam, uton nsu a unye kurase ni o uton nsu a. Let me just remind you something. Mama min kai mu bibi ketuwa bi. Me ame papa say Kwame Despite. He is, if not the richest man in Ghana. He is one, if not the richest man in Ghana. Today I came to remind you that Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Why then? Otonchine. You two are your dated souls. Any dear. Auto chile. Now, what dear I was going to mean, don't you? Oh, what dear. Oh, what dear I was going to mean, don't you? Doctor said, Kwame, despite Auto and chile. He sells salt. For once I do my would that. We are doing wood that. Doctor Oforisapo specialize here on the start here. And so, why the woods to catch Dr. Oforisapo? Otonsio, and no pepe casachra wagine. Otonsio, Obi Umia. And I want to be your mommy, and I want to be your mommy. Me and my children, we've been homeless before. Me and my children, I've said it several, we've been homeless before. And if your mommy is homeless today, it doesn't mean she'll be homeless forever. If you don't have it today, it doesn't mean you will not have it. Me, I'm strongly against Obidineba. Na ujana no. Ekurawa. Hey, una ukurawa dio. Una atiana wote. Una okasa na wote. Una abetimi aka wono kure achire no. And young ladies, we should learn to cut our coats. First, you have to cut your coat according to your size. Obi want a size and a switch any coat, no. So now there you cut your coat according to your fabric. Or fabric and then swan. Now a panjarabia, no what's nasty. This generation more pray. Pray. May sarcasm subium. Raise your kids. Do something. Do something. A yensuum pa. A ye one seed in pa. It's your hard-earned money. When you read the Bible, say, and so whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. That is what you have to do something. What I say? Bible class, whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. They like don't baby and shirapa so. Not as I was so weird baby. I was so weird baby. I was so don't say a baby and jaw back and fan coma will be emanin sen. What I say? And jaw back and fan coma will be emanin sen. Emanin sen. Because a bass say ya, I did say ya. Ni nyamia memoir editing. Nyamia memoir editing. Me de dem be kan ya no no. Ko to amen komo so why? Dem be kan ya no no. Ko to amen komo so. Me sa kesi so. Obi de be jawa. Hweni ye. Titini ye. Me house girls grabbing no matter no. When they go, they come back. Mommy ya feel, mommy ya feel, mommy, we want to come and spend Christmas with you. Mommy, we want to come home. Why? Because in this house, we raise heroes and champions by the grace of God. Obi dinadi jawa shesuye. Ush obi adi suye ebe yawodia. That is for a fact. So obi dinadi ma na shesuye. You end up owning it. You own it with no stress. You own it with no stress. What you say? Nyamisha mo what? Na omo mo ba what? Na onfa oja enhye watanfo. Ene nkwasiafo. Nyame ema adom ene kese ewo moso. Na bronya yi asima make adwene ho na nase pa adwuma bi ye wate pa adwuma bi ye wate uye adwuma hu pa adwuma ye fansa ye adwuma den wate e ko anim wate ti bye bye me de nchaka sense feel gone ebrem